Hey guys, and welcome back to Fun with Rue. Today I'm super excited to say that there are so many updates coming to Adopt Me, and there are so many things that I need you all to update on. And guys, Adopt Me have recently just confirmed 3 of the Halloween pets that are going to come into game for Halloween, guys. Stay tuned till the end of the video to come to know what those pets are. And they have been completely confirmed by Adopt Me, guys. So now I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the updates. So the pictures will be there somewhere on the screen. So as you can see on the screen, it says over there that the Shadow Dragon has a cauldron hat. So many people think that the Shadow Dragon will be coming to game, but it actually won't be coming to game, because then the people who have it will be unfair to them, because then the significance of it will go. But the Shadow Dragon is wearing a new cauldron hat, guys, and that cauldron hat will be coming to game. So now in the next update, guys, in the next pic, we see our first pet, guys. That is the mummy pet. So the white color is a snow cat. I would probably prefer better color, like a different color variation, but that's good. So guys, over there, that is a snow cat, and on the snow cat they've just added bandages, and I think that will be called a mummy cat. And guys, also last week the fall update had come, and all the trees turned from dark green and light green to orange and red, guys. This is so cool. Okay, guys, and as you can see, also one tip Adopt Me left us in that photo over there, that behind is written cell 006. So maybe there our pets will be in cell 006. We'll have to find out. And also guys, one update will be coming in about 5 minutes from now. Sadly, the vote is going out of game, guys, but the Halloween update will be coming in 1 week. The boat is going out of game, and people think that the fashion show building will come here because it's been tested in Adopt Me server so many times. Guys, Adopt Me is bringing a new purse to the game, which will only be available for 1 week. That is, it will be available only till the Halloween update arrives in the game. That I don't know for how many bucks it's going to be, but it's a really cool purse, guys. I think it's called a Glamcon purse. So in that, it's available for pets only for 1 week. You can buy it. I don't know if you can buy only one or how many ever, but in that, the unicorn's eyes actually blink, so it's an animated purse, guys, for the pets. And guys, one of Adopt Me's first clues to reveal the Halloween thing step by step was to give a swimming pool type of a thing, and over there it's written, like, I think you can see it on the screen. I put it on the screen. So there it's written don't swim, but obviously all of us are going to go and swim in it. So that may be something leading us to the mini games or something. Next is the ghost dragon, guys. So people have been predicting the ghost dragon for the mythic egg, but Adopt Me has confirmed the ghost dragon. So it has like a white body like a Chinese dragon and like purple designs on it, but we are not exactly sure what it's called. Next, Adopt Me posted a picture, and over there it's written something's brewing. So maybe we'll be getting a new potion, or there's something to do with the mini games with that. Next, guys, the best pet of all which Adopt Me has revealed is the Skelly dog, guys. So I hope you can see it on the screen. The Skelly dog has green eyes. It's almost like the Skelly Rex, only in the shape of a dog, guys, and it has green eyes. I hope it's in the legendary rank, guys. And in the Skelly dog photo, if we go very minutely behind, if we see behind, you can see some bars, like cell like bars, and the latest we saw is cell 6. So maybe there are 3 Adopt Me pets, and we have to complete many games and find a key to open the cell. Who knows, guys? So now, for those of y'all who don't know, Adopt Me has added one thing. Let me show you. So guys, the update is going to come in 5 more minutes, guys. It's super exciting. So over here, Adopt Me has like made all the trees pretty good. And over here, oh no, I'm stuck. Anyway, so over here, so now we are on this bridge. So Adopt Me has put like a haunted house, I think. So once we come here, it's night, and once we go here, it's day. So Adopt Me has made this animation. So I think once we cross this line here, exactly this line, it's night. Once we go back, it's day. And guys, I'm just going to make the sound loud. Do listen to it. The sound is this music which they have put for Adopt Me is really great. So that was the sound of the Halloween theme music, I guess. And this is super cool, guys. Now for everything we've been waiting for. So as of now, I told you all about 3 pets. That is the ghost dragon, the skelly dog, and the mummy cat. Now people are predicting that this tree could be a pet, but I don't think so. Next, I can see these dragons here with evil eyes. So there's a ghost dragon. I thought there would be an evil dragon, but okay. So over here it tells us in how many days the Halloween event is coming. And now the main thing of all, the ghost bunny is there. So when I tried to go, he yeeted me out. He said, "Sorry mate, your name's not on the list, come back in later." Oh no, guys. And guys, have you realized one thing? So I was just looking at the photos for more minute details, and guys, I realized that over here there's supposed to be a narwhal and not a evil Robin or an evil chick, guys. So does that mean that an evil Robin or chick is returning to game? And over here also we can see an evil Robin or chick, guys. So does that mean we are getting a tradable evil chick, guys? This is just a theory, I'm not fully sure though. And let's go on top and see what's going on top, guys. So you actually won't believe it, guys, but I actually never saw this third story over here, and I predict that mini games might be here, guys, but I'm not sure. And over here I tried glitching in from the back, but the only thing you can see is a door. Like, I'll try and show you now. So I'll just glitch in with my pet. And by the way, guys, this is a fly swan. It took me so much time to get this fly swan, guys. And for this fly swan, it's actually from the 2019 winter event, I think. It's a rare. So guys, Adopt Me was really smart. They knew he would glitch into this. So all you can see is just the back of the door, guys. So I'm just going to get out of here. So these are all the updates, guys. I thought I would just inform you all about the updates for those of y'all who don't know. I'm super excited for the new pets which are going to come to Adopt Me. And I'm also trying to see if they'll bring like a... Let's see this pet. Like this evil dragon or the evil Robin. Because like, why would they hide an evil Robin in a broken roof? So that's really sus, guys. And this is all the news. So now the boat is going to go off of the boat stand after camping task, I think. Yes, the boat might go out of the boat stand. So I think it will be gone forever. So I collected my boat. Do collect one if you're in the game now, because it's going to be super good to trade. And I think the boat is 2,500. Guys, I also have another surprise which I will be telling at the end of the video, guys. So stay tuned to hear that surprise. You are really going to love that surprise. And now I'll come back to you all basically when it's time for the new purse update. And even we'll see if the fashion building update comes. And guys, I also wanted to tell y'all that I have 25 ocean eggs. I don't mean to like boast or anything, but I just want to let you all know that y'all can anytime offer for my ocean eggs. I have 25 ocean eggs. I've actually collected them, so then I can trade them when they are like more valuable. So yeah. And I think Adopt Me is late with the update again, so sometimes they are like late maybe due to technical issues or something. So that's okay because the updates are pretty good. And in the starting there were some rumors that Brookhaven was better than Adopt Me, and I honestly only play roleplay in Brookhaven. But Adopt Me has gained its like fan base now because they're coming up with good updates, and they also said that there's going to be a taskbar update, and we might get 80 bucks if we complete the camping task, guys. So I'm super excited for that, but that will be in some time. So guys, do watch out for the Halloween pets. It will be coming next week on Thursday, and this will stay only for a limited time. Last time this fall update, I was doing some research on Adopt Me, and last time this fall update stayed till the 1st of December, and then the I think Christmas update came last year in 2020. So yeah, and there was also like a free accessory, I think, that's non-tradable. I'm not sure. I think there was like a free accessory. So let's see if we get a free accessory for Halloween this time, guys. This is going to be my first Halloween update ever. So I'm still waiting for the update to come. Maybe till then you can just enjoy the music. Guys, I hope you'll enjoy that music. So I guess I'll just see you all when the update comes. So guys, before the update comes, I would like to say, if you have a fly pet or a propeller, just go to the sky castle with the help of the flying boat, and after that see the sunset. The sunset looks super cool, guys. Like, the sunset is really pretty, and I really want to show you all the sunset. Plus, I've never seen it before, guys. And by the way, I was just in someone's house. So I have no clue whose house that was, but yeah. So I think the sunset happens on top. So if the moon is there, I think the sun will be this side. I'm just guessing. Let's see. Well, I guess we'll have to wait for long. I just love these birds because then they don't need additional wings. They can just fly up like this with their own wings. Okay, I'm so close. I still remember there used to be like the Easter egg candy over here, or whatever you call it. So we could collect Easter eggs from this point. Okay, I'm really excited to see the sunrise, guys. Oh, the sun rose, guys. Oh my gosh, that was so pretty. That was exactly in time. Okay, I thought I was gonna get heated. I'm just gonna try to fall now. Oh no! I am yeeted. So bad. Okay, so basically the update is supposed to come now because Adobe posts the updates when the sun rises, but I guess, oh no, this is so glitchy, my screen. Well, see you when the update comes, guys. So guys, it just changed the Halloween event from 7 days to 6 days. So in every country at 4 p.m. BST, Google that to find out what your local time is. So in every country 4 p.m. BST, they keep on putting updates on a Thursday especially, mostly. So they just changed it from 7 to 6 days, guys. So basically the going off the boat update should come now, because glam purses are supposed to come now, Glamicon purses. But yeah. So, and one more thing, when you press on the Halloween thing, it says boo, counting down until Halloween with spooky pets, mini games and more. So it is definitely confirmed that there are going to be so many fun mini games, guys, and I guess we just have to wait for the update. Oh, well, at least in time for school. Okay guys, it says that the server's closing for an update. Guys, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so it says, ooh, spookifying the map. New animated Glamicon purse. The new purse is going to be coming to game, guys. So over here this is next, but what do we do after next? Like, from where do I get the purse, guys? This is super exciting. So first let's see if there's any building for the boat shop or whatever you call it. The boat. So maybe we should go to Petway and check it out, or maybe, I don't know guys, I'm just like really excited. So basically nothing has changed on the map, but sadly the boat has gone. There isn't any new building over here. Let's go check out the Petway shop. Yeah. Oh my gosh, they push like so much. Okay, so let's see guys. And guys, I've just found it a secret which Adopt Me has posted, like not made it viral at all. I don't know if the secret works though. Okay, so it's written Glamicon Purse Pet available for purchase on Amazon, Walmart and Target. 2021 Spin Masters. So guys, I cannot see the purse properly. I'm going to give you all like a better view of this later. Okay, this is really glitchy. You know what guys, I'm going to buy the purse and then come back to you guys. Okay guys, now I'm going to put the Glamicon purse for my neon cat. So yeah. Oh my god guys, the unicorn's eyes actually blink, and this looks super cute. You can buy as many ever as you want. I'm buying a ton of them, and let me just give you all a closer look guys. Let's equip the neon cat. I actually made this neon cat today before recording the video guys. So over here, as you can see, this cute little Glamicon purse is blinking its eyes guys. I like when it opens its eyes fully. So this really looks cute. As of now, in my inventory, I have made a neon dog, and you won't believe this, but a kind person traded her neon Shiba Inu as she was making a mega neon dog, and she really wanted one neon dog. So she traded me her neon Shiba Inu. I asked her if I should add. She's like, no thank you. So I was like really happy guys. So I'm going to also make a neon Sasquatch, and then the neon clownfish, neon hydra, etc. guys. There are so many neons I wish to make. So let me see my pet. Oh no, my pet is stuck. Okay, here it is. Why is my pet stuck guys? Okay, there. Okay, wait. Just give me 1 second. I'm in the water. So guys, these unicorn Glamicon purses are basically only for 200 bucks guys. I can't show it to you because for some reason it glitches a lot when I show you. But so I'm gonna add this purse to my pet. I've actually like put so much Petway on my pet. So I just removed one Petway. Okay, well that doesn't work. What do I remove guys? Okay, there's really something wrong with my poor little. Okay, so I'm just gonna try and dress him up guys, I guess. Let's see. Oh no, I'm getting pushed by everyone guys. Like, okay there guys, I've added the person. Let's have a closer look in a very less crowded place. So guys, this is my Yeti, this is my Sasquatch, and the purse looks so cute on him. It probably doesn't match him that much, but the purse looks actually very good on the Sasquatch guys. Now for the secret I was talking about guys. So I only noticed this the other day just to see if there were any new updates in any building. So first, let's come to the shipwreck. So does this shipwreck symbolize that Adopt Me had no pets in the start or something? Anyway, you'll come to know the reason why I'm saying this. Because here, this is the shark's tail, okay? So this looks like a shark's tail, guys. And a shark came in game, legendary rank. Now over here, for some reason Adopt Me put horns over there. And over here we have a kitten with the exact same horns, guys. Like the color may be a little different, but the okay yes, so the kitten is with the exact same horns, guys. And another prop which I noticed over here is like this devil, not sorry guys, and another prop which I noticed here, guys, is like this evil type of thing. So this could be probably like a vampire egg, I don't know, guys, but I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll definitely be posting y'all on more updates to come, guys. And I've also shared the photos of all the new updates and new pets at the end of the video, guys. And remember to look out for clues in the petware shop. And also, guys, do remember to also buy this Glamicon purse. It's pretty affordable, and I like that Adopt Me made it so affordable, especially to people who are like just joined the game. So do buy. I'm at least going to buy 4 to 5 of these I've collected. And I haven't forgotten about the surprise, guys. I'll be showing you all the surprise in a minute. And guys, what I'm about to show you now, I've taken so much of hard work to do this, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed. Try to have a few guesses till I reach wherever I want, whatever I want you to see. So guys, I'm going to reveal a little bit of it because I cannot wait any longer, and you all might get a clue of where I'm going. I'm going to the neighborhood because I built a new house, and that is the best house, I feel, according to me, I've ever built, guys. So I just have to find my house. Okay, there it is. Ready to see the house, guys? In 3, 2, 1. Guys, it's the container home, my all-time favorite house. I always wanted to build this house, guys, and I'm super excited. And there's also a secret glitch in this house, guys. You are really going to love this house. So I'm also doing a tour of this house. I know it's a lot in one video, but I'm doing this tour now for a reason. So this is a container home. I think it's the recent house after the eco house has come, and the eco house is like so small, you know, guys. So over here, guys, first this is the bookshelf over here. Okay, yes, so over here I've added the bookshelf. Over here the sofa, this comes actually with the house, but then I made the table. And so yeah, so basically this. Then over here is like a coat rack. Over here I made the fireplace. Comment down below if you all want a tutorial on how to make this fireplace. It's so easy, guys. And over here I love this hello sign, and I've written on the board glitch in my bedroom. Please donate. This took a lot of hard work. So this is the library, I would like to call. Next we go upstairs. So I've just put windows over here, and can you guess what room this is? So I've tried to make this an art room, guys. So over here is the art bookshelf with the imagination box poster, which is kind of hidden. Over here is this tree which I really love, guys, and over here I've just featured a few of the posters, and this took a lot of time, but I have added almost, yeah, I've actually added all the posters except for the 50 bucks ones. And I really love this Roblox award one. It looks super cool, guys. I always wanted to make one wall, at least a poster wall. So this is what I like to call the art room. And this room is the best idea I've ever had. This is the movie room, guys, or as you call the theater. So I just made a theater here, like all my friends, and we can just sit there and pretend the movie is going on. Over here my friend had a glass barrier, so I actually hadn't thought about it, but nice idea for my friend. And this is secret snacks bar. You need to become a baby to fit into it properly. But yeah, so I just made a secret snacks bar, and here's just like a bunk bed you can sleep on. I love these bunk beds. And now to go down, we can just jump down. And guys, I'm going to be showing you all my glitch too. So over here, I was so confused of what to build here, but I just kept it simple. So once you enter over here, I made these steps out of the small and large desks. I basically just stuck these from the wall, these barriers. I added the beds, the sleek feeders, and then just these bathtubs, guys. Okay, now it's time for the living room. So over here I just added the sofa. It's just a simple little sofa. I made this table out of discs again, and so I just put Netflix over here because I really love to watch Netflix, and I just made a TV out of bricks, so it costs really less money. Over here's the kitchen counter. So oh no, glitched. So first I've added like this water filter thing here. I always thought it was expensive, but then when I saw more expensive thing, I was like, this water filter is okay to add there. Then a garbage can, a sleek feed again, a fridge, and I've stuck to like a more lighter theme, that is like light green, light blue, and tan. So over here I've just taken a barrier and added the donuts in the oven. And yeah, so this is basically the kitchen, guys. And now let's move to my most favorite room, guys. That is my bedroom. I love to decorate bedrooms. And now this is my bedroom, guys. So I really love it. I hope you love it because this took so much of hard work. I spend most of my time on this room because I always love to decorate the bedroom. So over here it's like a little bunk bed. So let me remove my pet. So my pet can sleep on top, and like this is for a baby. I really love this poster, especially in a cozy vibe full bedroom. Over here is like the makeup place. Over here I built a really small bathroom, guys. And this is just like a photo area. This is like my YouTube recording area, and I just wrote my channel name over there, guys. And I've also put the Roblox award poster, also some lights. And now I made this into sort of like a balcony camping area, guys. How is this like with the clouds in the sky? In my previous few videos I have said how to add these in the sky. I think it was in my first house tour video, guys, so do go check that out. And so I've just put the barbecue in the stone, and this is just a fountain over here, so just like a camping area for vibes. And guys, now it's time for the ultimate glitch, guys. So are you ready? So guys, I'm really excited to show you all my glitch, guys, and I are ready. So I put this neon arrow here, and 3, 2, 1. So over here I just put the build with friends thing, and now it's time to walk to the Halloween patch. So I built a secret Halloween glitch, guys. It's not exactly secret, but it's a Halloween glitch. And enter Halloween patch if you dare. So there's nothing scary over here, but I just like those wordings. And over here magically I put the chairs in the air, like if you can see, like there's a little gap. And I also put the pumpkin in the air, guys. Over here guys, I have a jukebox where I can change the music, and it also has this like skeleton over there which sometimes symbolizes don't touch. Now over here, guys, so we can sit here, and these cauldrons are just there at the side of you, just like, you know, to like have a, like you're the witch and you can brew these. And guys, one secret about these, you can actually brew potions from these, guys. So as you can see, it says brewing big head potion. Like this you get the hyperspeed potion, which is for 650 bucks, the cauldron. You can just brew potions for free and then delete it before you leave the game, so then the prices don't go down. And also you can brew the anti-gravity potion, but that's for 3,000 bucks. So you just have to type CAUL, and you get like 3 cauldron options. So let me just show you. So over here there's a free way to brew potions. So over here there are potions, and over here like I put so many cauldron machines. And guys, so over here I've written for Halloween costume winners only. Now you must be thinking, I'm up to something, what does that mean? So that actually means I'm having a Halloween costume competition with my friends, guys. So I've built this stage over here, and this is the fog machine. So my friends have to walk from the side of this, and then they basically just have to walk in front like this, dress up into any Halloween attire. and then they can just do any dance, guys. And over here is the seating area for those of us who have like our turns are still yet to go. And guys, the winner is going to be getting a special prize. So my friends, I hope you are watching this video, and I hope you all are prepared some good bets, because I'm going to give you all some very special prizes. And guys, I hope you'll enjoy this video. So over here it takes 45 seconds to brew this potion, the big head potion. It takes 1 minute to brew the hyperspeed potion, and 1 minute and 15 seconds to brew basically the, oh my god, what do you call it, the anti-gravity potion, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe, and to get notified whenever I post the fashion competition video, guys, please do turn on bell notifications, because that video is going to be really epic, guys. And there's also going to be a slight twist in the video, so make sure to go turn on bell notifications so you can get notified whenever I post the video, guys. And please subscribe, because this has taken a lot of hard work, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, guys.